Welcome back to Alma's Musings. I'm Kathy, and this is the place where I share a little wisdom from the other side of the empty nest. Here I talk about faith, simplicity, and what it means to live intentionally in our senior years. Whether you're downsizing, decluttering, or just looking for a slower, more meaningful pace, you're in good company. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's chat about what really matters. Today, I want to talk about something that kind of surprised me in this season of life. And that's how togetherness can actually be an adjustment. Over the past 15 years, for the most part, my husband worked out of state every other week. Monday through Friday, he traveled to Texas. And of course, I stayed home. And on the weekends, he came home and we were together. And over time, we kind of found a rhythm. I got used to having quiet evenings, being able to watch whatever I wanted on TV, simple dinners, and just space to move through my own routines. And honestly, I grew to enjoy that little sliver of independence. Don't get me wrong, I missed him. But now things have changed. He now works remotely from home. No more weekly travel, no more long distance rhythms. So we're in the same space all the time. Yes, and again, we love each other deeply. But when you've gotten used to this kind of routine, suddenly sharing a home 24/7 can feel a little tight. And I found myself cooking more, which is not something I love to do. And coming up with meal ideas, that is not my favorite hobby. I could go with making a pot of stew and eating it every night. So last week, he had vacation. And guess what he wanted to do? He wanted to take the RV and go camping. Now, camping is his thing. Sitting by a lake, fishing, enjoying nature, that fills his cup. Me, not so much. I'd rather be home. I'm a homebody. So we tried something a little different. He found a campground that's only 30 minutes away, and that's where he headed. During the week, I visited a few times. We shared a meal, and then I would come home to sleep. He stayed, he fished, he relaxed. I stayed home, I rested, and I found quiet. And you know what? It was really nice. It shows that honoring each other's individual needs in marriage isn't a sign of something broken. It's actually a sign of something secure because we trust each other, we know each other, and we're okay with not doing everything together. That is part of the beauty of growing old together. Realizing you don't have to match in everything to be perfectly in sync where it really matters. So, if you've been navigating this in your own life, especially in retirement or semi retirement, I just want you to know you're not alone and you're not doing it wrong. You're just growing old together. As always, have a wonderful day and God bless you.